Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to autopilot Tesla Model Y. Start by pairing your phone, updating the car software, and reviewing the owner's manual. Enable autopilot in controls, then set your speed and follow distance. Practice on a quiet road to learn lane centering and gentle lane changes. Always monitor the vehicle and be ready to take control if conditions change or sensors misread the scene. Begin setup by ensuring your Tesla software is current and calibrations are complete. Adjust mirrors and wheel so visual cues are clear, then enable driver monitoring for added safety. Choose your preferred follow distance and lane change behavior in the autopilot menu. Practice engaging and disengaging autopilot in low-traffic areas to build confidence while keeping hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Learn the key controls. Double-tap the stalk to engage auto steer and use navigate on autopilot for guided highway driving if available. Monitor lane change prompts and confirm automated maneuvers when needed. Understand how to instantly cancel autopilot by braking or steering, and practice this response in a safe area. Remember that autopilot assists your driving, but you remain responsible and must supervise every trip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.